The 2020 Summer Paralympics are an upcoming major international multi-sport event for athletes with disabilities governed by the International Paralympic Committee. Scheduled as the 16th Summer Paralympic Games, they are scheduled to be held in Tokyo, Japan between 24 August and 5 September 2021. They were formerly scheduled to take place between 25 August and 6 September 2020, but on 24 March 2020, the IOC and the Tokyo Organizing Committee officially announced that the 2020 Summer Olympics and 2020 Summer Paralympics would be postponed to 2021 due to the COVID-19 pandemic, marking the first time that the Paralympics has been postponed. They will still be publicly marketed as the 2020 Summer Paralympics, even with the change in scheduling to 1 year later. This will mark the second time Tokyo has hosted the Paralympics, as they were first hosted there in 1964 alongside the 1964 Summer Olympics. These games will see the introduction of badminton and taekwondo to the Paralympic program, replacing sailing and seven-a-side football. As part of an agreement between the International Paralympic Committee and the International Olympic Committee first established in 2001, the winner of the bid for the 2020 Summer Olympics must also host the 2020 Summer Paralympics. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.